Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Ruud Flame Sensor currently available, the 6223543001 Replacement Flame Sensor. Let's begin with the build. Right out of the box, the quality is immediately noticeable. This sensor is crafted from premium-grade metal and durable ceramic. It's clear that longevity was a priority during manufacturing. It's solid, reliable, and made to handle the tough conditions inside a furnace. Speaking of specifications, let's break it down. From the mounting flange to the sensor tip, you're looking at a precise 2.5 inch in length. The sensor offset is measured at 1 to 9/16 of an inch, and it's angled at a clean 90 degrees. That perfect right angle bend means it fits snugly into compatible furnace models without needing modification. Installation is straightforward and quick. It features a 1/4 inch male quick connect terminal, which makes wiring nearly effortless. Whether you're a professional HVAC tech or a DIY homeowner, this sensor is designed for minimal hassle during replacement. But let's talk about why this part is critical. The flame sensor's job is to detect whether a flame is present when the furnace is running. If the sensor can't confirm that, it shuts off the gas valve to prevent dangerous gas buildup. So, you don't just want any sensor. You want one that's responsive, accurate, and reliable. That's exactly what this sensor delivers. Once installed, it performed flawlessly under heat stress. It picked up flame presence accurately and responded instantly. No flickering, no false signals. That kind of reliability means peace of mind, and fewer midnight calls to your HVAC technician. So whether you're replacing a worn-out sensor or proactively upgrading your unit, this Ruud-compatible 6223543001 flame sensor is an investment in safety, performance, and durability. It's a small part, but it plays a big role in keeping your heating system running smoothly. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on reviews and expert breakdowns just like this one. See you in the next video.